What are you doing, Maya?
Dancing.
What's wrapped around you?
Jump rope.
What do you do with that thing?
Say jump with it, and put it down.
Okay, show me how you jump with it.
Okay, I will show you. Jump, jump, jump. Like something else it jumps too. A grasshopper can jump.
A grasshopper can jump? Show me how a grasshopper would jump.
On his back, and jump on his tummy.
Can you show me?
And what? That's how it does.
Pretty good jumping. What else can you do with a jump rope?
Spin it around on the playground. The playground, you can do everything.
What color is your tongue?
Blue.
It is blue. Do you want to say anything else for this movie, or should I turn it off?
Turn it on.
Turn it on? So you're going to keep talking?
Yeah.
What do you want to talk about?
Hello. I talked about my lollipop.
Okay, tell us about your lollipop.
That was something. What is it?
What is it?
I think it's a brat.
Okay, what should we do with that?
Put it in somebody's hair.
Whose hair?
Your hair.
Why not yours? How about yours? Come here.
I don't want it in my hair.
Okay.
Let's put it in your hair.
How does it look?
Oh, it's pretty.
Thank you. Okay, now what?
How about play?
Okay, well, I'm making a movie. Do you want to do anything else for the movie? Anybody you want to say hi to?
Play. Mommy. Hi.
Hi. That's it?
Yeah. Hi, baby. Glad to meet you.
She's talking to you in there. Okay. You ready? Let's say goodbye. Bye, movie.
Bye.